Welcome to this week's edition of AI, Machine Learning, and Digital Health Updates by Lucid Quest. Let's dive straight into the latest news. China's AI drug discovery companies are landing multi-billion-dollar partnerships with global pharma giants like AstraZeneca, Pfizer, and Sanofi. Deals with players such as CSPC, Crystal Pi, and Helixin highlight China's emerging role in automated drug labs, though regulatory and geopolitical risks remain. The test ahead will be whether these AI-designed drugs reach clinical milestones. A new study warns of AI for AI bias. Large language models appear more likely than humans to prefer goods or papers pitched in AI-generated prose. This could disadvantage those without frontier tools, widening the digital divide unless platforms adopt safeguards like style normalization and policy interventions. Sam Altman's name surfaces again, this time linked to Merge Labs, a brain-computer interface venture exploring gene therapy combined with implanted ultrasound. Though highly experimental, this approach could one day expand beyond disease treatment toward new modes of human-AI interaction. Timelines, however, will be measured in years. Wearable-based seizure prediction has taken a step forward. By fusing temporal signals, cross-modal features, and circadian cues, a growing neural network boosted accuracy to more than 81%, outperforming baselines in the majority of patients. The explainable design also shows which features drive predictions, an important step for clinical trust. MedAgentBench has introduced a virtual electronic health record environment to benchmark medical AI agents. With 300 clinician-written tasks across 100 synthetic patients, the best model achieved just under 70% task success, signaling progress but also large headroom for safer workflow integration. In breast cancer screening, Dutch researchers tested AI as a second reader. A single human paired with AI improved sensitivity by more than 8% compared with double human reading, though recall rates rose, making arbitration essential. Notably, AI often flagged invasive cancers missed by radiologists. Perspectives from China on AI in dermatology underscore its potential and challenges. While AI rivals experts on curated data sets, issues of bias and generalizability persist. Clinicians see promise in multimodal datasets and federated learning to expand rural access and support non-specialists. Turning to core model capabilities, GPT-5 outperformed GPT-4o and even surpassed human experts on multimodal reasoning benchmarks like MedExpert-QA. It showed strong zero-shot reasoning across medical exams, but researchers caution that benchmarks are not bedside validation, calling for prospective trials. Researchers at MIT used generative AI to screen more than 36 million molecules, discovering candidates active against drug-resistant gonorrhea and MRSA. The compounds, structurally novel, disrupted bacterial membranes in mice and are moving into preclinical development. An observational study raises concern over reliance on AI in colonoscopies. After routine AI exposure, endoscopists' unaided detection rates dropped, suggesting that skills may erode if clinicians lean too heavily on automated systems. AI voice analysis is emerging as a potential tool to detect throat lesions before symptoms appear. Early findings suggest variability in harmonic to-noise ratio could serve as a biomarker, though larger and more diverse studies are needed before clinical application. Meanwhile, the FDA has authorized Artera AI Prostate, the first AI tool to prognosticate outcomes in non-metastatic prostate cancer. The platform combines digitized biopsies with clinical data to stratify risk and guide treatment decisions, creating a new category for software as a medical device. Finally, AI is reshaping hemophilia management. Applications span bleeding risk prediction, imaging of joint damage, and personalized therapy regimens. Experts stress the importance of standardized data and ethical guardrails to ensure responsible adoption without hype. Stay ahead in AI and digital health research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.